This is this is Chris Besley. As promised back in October when I made the oak leaf wine, I promised I'd do a review how good it was. So we have here a nice bottle of oak leaf wine. It's good colour, as you can see. There's a whiskey next to it, just everybody knows the colour of whiskey. So it's quite well tanned, not so well tanned as whiskey, but there you go. All I can do the colour is good. Smells quite good. Doesn't smell like vinegar. Has a smell. Can't really tell you what the smell's like. But when you see the colour of that, you wouldn't think that come from a green leaf, would you? Okay, let's go try the taste. It doesn't taste too bad anyway. It's dry, very. Quite dry. You'll see it's got an oaky taste to it. Quite oaky. A little bit sweet. Slightly sweet, not much. Try again. Dry, sweet, oaky. And I'm enjoying this video. Okay, that's how it turned out. So if you would like to try it, if you want my advice, like to try it, this turned out good. So I would say if somebody asked me, yeah, try it, try and have a go, it's worth it. Like or subscribe for me, please. That's all I can say really. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my evening, thank you very much, and I'm going to let you go. Goodbye.